Welcome back, guys. Today we're doing the low beams on this Silverado 1500. It is the same from 2019 to 2021. 2022 also has some trims that didn't get the facelift, so it remains the same as the 2021. So check with your vehicle first to ensure that it's the same. But for low beams, they're all the same. This one, it is using our Pro Series CS01, and I repeat, Pro-CS-01 L as in Larry. L is for lows. Let's show you guys how to install this on this vehicle and the performance. Alright guys, now let's do the low beams on this particular 2021 Silverado 1500 Custom, which is going to be the same for the Custom, the Trail Boss Custom, and the W2, which is the work truck. We're going to be using our Pro Series line. This is a custom build that we made for these trucks only. The part number is Pro-CS, which is Chevy Silverado -01L. So again, Pro-CS-01L. And now, again, make sure this is fully tightened. It is. This is going to say pass for passenger. This is the bulb you want to install on the passenger side. Dust cover back on. When you put the dust cover, make sure this is aiming down. You want to make sure that's very important. If you have it the opposite way, water can go into the grooves and it will mess up with the fans. So make sure the arrow is facing down. Let's show you guys how to install. Alright, so you're going to first take off the rubber dust cover. This will be probably the easiest thing to do. Once you have it off, you're going to turn the bulb counterclockwise and pull out. Once you have that, here's the bulb. You're going to press down here, release the product. You can now insert the bulb inwards to the socket. These will go in two different ways, so if they don't turn on one way, you unplug it, you rotate it 180, and you reconnect it. So let's test if it works now. There we go. The bulb is working. Let's turn it off, and let's go back to the install. So now that we know that the bulb is working, we could do the next step. Next step would be insert the wiring first before you insert the bulb. So we'll show you from the bottom. So first thing you want to do is put this socket, so the socket that connects to your factory harness, in first. You want to put it in, you want to shove it as far as you can down there, and you're fine. Once you do that, you can now insert the bulb in. So you're going to land the 3 tabs. Once the tabs are lined up, like so, you're going to turn counterclockwise, clockwise to lock in. The rest of the wiring is very simple. You can just leave here. These are very small wirings, so you don't have to worry much about these. And next thing is putting your dust cover back on. Again, you want to make sure the arrow is coming down. It's right there. That's the correct way. Now you want to line it up and press inwards. Like so. There you go. That is fully in. Make sure you kind of do a little turn up and down. A little twisty to ensure. Look at the arrow. Make sure it's down. We know it's down. That's the install, and you'll be done. Now let's do the driver's side, which is the same concept. Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing the high beams on this 2021 Silverado. This is the same from 2019 and 2021. Also some 2022 models that didn't get the updated refresh. For this, we are using our LSplus 9005 bulbs. Let's show you guys how to install and the performance. Alright, so now let's do the high beams. For this one, we are going to be going from this particular side, from the wheel well. We found it easier since we already have our Pro Series installed on the low beam. It's kind of a tight fit. Also, on the back side, we can go to this particular area. There is like a water washer there for the headlights, for the windshield. So it's a little bit of a tight fit. We just prefer to remove the 4 or 5 screws here, which are all T15s. Pull them out, and then you can pull the liner back. From there you have a simple install. You're gonna first connect the sockets. It only goes in one way. Connect it in. Again, I recommend you put the socket in first and the driver. I believe this will make your life easier after. So that's what I just did now. That's all got stuck inside.
Cut.
I'll show you.
Action.
Alright guys, so again, remember, put the driver in first. What I recommend, get this all kind of snugged in there. From there you have the middle opening. Now let's get the bulb and let's line up. Once it's lined up, you're going to want to just turn. Line up there, and we turn and we're locked. That's simple, guys. Now it's locked in, you're just going to put your dust cover back on. Let me show you guys how to do so. Alright, so last thing is just putting the dust cover. There you go. You're done with that. Put back the wheel liner. Again, it's going to be 4 screws, and you have all that access to the bulb. Alright guys, we're done with the install now. As you guys can tell, it's a big upgrade. Doing the lows and the highs on this vehicle. It's something that these trucks are needed. They should have came with LEDs from the manufacturer. Luckily they did it, and we gave you an option to be brighter on the road. So again, for the low beams, we installed our Pro Series H11s. Part number is Pro-CS-01L. And for the highs, we're using our LSplus 9005. Again, you can find it on our website, Lasfit.com. If you have any questions, give us a call. Any of our agents can help you from 9 o'clock to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. They're there to assist you. And as well as our website, we have our live chat. Anyone there can also assist you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we will bring you more content. Thank you.